Hi students, hope your NEET preparations are going awesome. Today let's discuss a previous year question from a short area from ecology evolution, that is Hardy-Weinberg principle. Let's directly go to the question. A gene locus has two alleles capital A small a. If the frequency of the dominant allele capital A is 0.4, then what will be the frequency of homozygous dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive individuals in the population? So what and all asked in the question is homozygous dominant, heterozygous, that will be capital A small a, then homozygous recessive, that is small a, right? And what not given in the question is only one thing that we know, that the frequency of dominant allele A is 0.4. So the what is asked in the question is P square, 2PQ and Q square. In order to substitute in this, we should know what is P and what is Q. So we know the equation P plus Q equals 1. Here P is 0.4, that is 0.4 plus Q equals 1, that is Q is equal to 0.6. So we can substitute this into this, that is P square means 0.4 square, 2PQ, 2 into 0.4 into 0.6, then 0.6 square, which will be 0.16, 0.48 and 0.36. Now let's check the options. In the options C and D, we can see that capital A is 0.16, 0.16. In capital A small a, here is 0.24, 0.48. From here itself, we can omit these three options, and in small a is 0.36. So the answer will be D. So before concluding, let's see what are the 5 conditions that Hardy and Weinberg has mentioned in their principle, so that the allelic frequency of the population remain constant, and or what are the conditions which should be absent in a population so that the allelic frequency will be constant in a population. That is, the mutation should be absent in a population. There should not be any genetic drift in the population. There should not be any gene flow, and we can say that there should be random mating, or there should be the absence of non-random mating, and there should be no natural selection. These are the 5 points which should be absent in a population so that the allelic frequency in a population remains constant according to Hardy-Weinberg principle. Thank you. Happy learning.